Yes, my dear students, you are most welcome. This is the topic, this is the point from which every year question is coming and students are putting mistake and losing their half marks. Proper calculations. As length, you know that a picometer, a and that stand for 10 raised by minus 10 centimeter. You can convert also into 10 raised by minus 12 meter. And density is equal to gram per centimeter cube. And volume is equal to length, breadth, height. We can give you a cube, and that is coming into the 10 raised by minus 10 centimeter cube. We can put that 10 raised by minus 30 centimeter cube. Now come on, that is the density. Density is equal to that mass mass of unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Simply we can say that D is equal to M by V. Now what is the mass? Mass is equal to, from mole concept you can take also, number of atoms multiply with mass of each atom. Mass of each atom. So number of atoms stand with the jet, and mass of each atom can become with the small m. Now put that mass, how it is coming. Mass is coming, how many number of atoms, that gives you jet, and mass, number of moles, mass per unit, Avogadro number divided by. We are getting the mass, gram atomic mass of that particular element divided by Avogadro number. I hope so that you have done in the mole concept. So this stands for M. Now putting in the formula of the density, mass by volume. Mass comes to you now, that is the Z multiplied with M, and volume is coming what? A cube, and that mass which we are putting the formula divided by Na. This is the simple formula coming in the picometer. If now we will take that in centimeter, so again it is coming to you, that is the Z multiplied with M divided by A cube, putting 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter cube multiplied with Avogadro number. At this formula, the numerical will come definitely, my dear student. For the any kind of exam, definitely the question will come from the this formula of density or either from the packing efficiency. One will definitely come. What will come, that I don't know, but one definitely will be introduced. If the, what is a jet? Jet is telling you the nature of cell. Nature of cell. If jet comes 1, then it is simple cubic cell. If Z is coming 2, then it is BCC. If Z is coming 3 or 4, then it is FCC. So you take care, that tells you the nature of Z. He can ask you the A cube, yes, then you will be in the problem. If he is putting you the A cube, see that and come with me now. When Z is equal to 1, that is the simple cubic cell, and its example is cesium chloride. And Z is equal to coming 2, then BCC, and its example will come lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. And when Z is equal to coming 4, then it will give you what? That is the FCC, and nickel, copper, silver, gold, and whenever the HCP and in FCC you also put that NaCl is also FCC. Now come in this formula. Suppose that D is equal to Zm A cube Na 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter cube, and if he will you ask you A cube, if he will asking A, then you go with the A cube, putting Zm and D and A 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter cube. Suppose that by putting the value and we are getting the A cube is coming 14.48. I am just taking example 10 to the power minus 24. So then what the A will come? A is coming 14.48 1 by 3 or under root 10 to the power minus 8. Now you have to take this value. Suppose that x is equal to 14.48 1 by 3. To solve such kind of cases, you feel a lot of difficulties. For that, you have to learn the log. Take the log of both sides. Log x, as you know or don't know, that I don't know. But whenever you're having the knowledge of log, then it's very easy. 1 by 3, taking right side log 14.48. Suppose that this is coming 12.56. I'm just letting. And this is coming log x. Now x is equal to what? Antilog of 12.56. So whenever you're taking the antilog, this comes to you x is equal to 10 is power 12, and you take the antilog of 56 at 0, and suppose that it is coming 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal at first point and then putting the value. My dear student, to solve these kind of problems, you must aware of the log, and if you would like to take the knowledge of log, I will tell you how to take the log in the next class or in the end of this chapter. Definitely be with me and do not release this question at any cost. From this formula, I am again awareing you, definitely one question will come from the density or from the packing efficiency. One definitely will come in the exam. And if he is asking the atomic number, you can find out the Na. Answer will be equivalent. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if he will say that to find out the N by Na, putting X is equal to given mass by molar mass. You can find out 3 quantities will be given. You put this formula in this way and get the value also. If he will ask you find out the number of atoms, and in so many questions, their density will be given. Suppose 8.37735 gram per centimeter cube, and he will ask me that what kind of cell. Then you put the value of the density, putting all the values again. If that density is coming same, and you have to check the value of Z, what you are putting. If you are putting Z1 and coming the same value of density, it means your cell is simple cubic. If Z is putting 2 and coming the same density, it means that is BCC, and by 4, then it is the face-centered cubic cell. Thank you very much, my dear students. And density definitely will come in the exam. If you are facing any difficulty, any numerical, any unit, anything, you feel free to contact me. You put your questions, send your queries. Now next we are coming with the defects in the solid state.